Familiarize yourself with the 2016 Jeep Patriot. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and more. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.